Hello and welcome back to this series on Podia. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use coupons in Podia. We have already created our course. We have created our sales page. Now what we want to do is give the audience a pre-sale option or an option to get the early access of the course. Now for that, what we'll be doing is giving an incentive to say the first 10 or 20 users. Whoever joins the course first, or the first 10 who join the course, or the first 20 who join the course will get a discount. And for that, we'll be creating a coupon. Now, creating a coupon in Podia is very, very easy, just like everything else. Inside Podia, just move down to where it says coupons, click on it. Inside coupons, right now I do not have a coupon yet. In order to create a new coupon, all you have to do is click on where it says new coupon. Inside the new coupon, you'll get a few options. The first one is the details. Here you'll be able to add your coupon code. In this case, I'll call this coupon code as beta. And for example, I'll be giving this access to say 10 people. So this is going to be my coupon code beta 10. Now, if you want to create a custom or random unique code, you can simply use this option right here to click on it. You'll be able to create a unique code. You can just keep clicking it so that in order to change the coupon code. However, in my case, I know what I want. So I'll just click and type in beta 10. So this is going to be a coupon code. Now, where do you want this coupon code to be acting? By default, this will act on all your products and membership plans. If you want to have some specific things, since I do not have a membership plan and hence it's not available right here. In my case, I'll be choosing a specific product. Since I just have a single product, I'll use this choose a product option. You'll see that I just have one option available. I'll just use this to select the course I created. Now in the discounted value, you can provide the discount in two forms. One is by percentage and the other is by an amount. So it's pretty straightforward. If I provide a 50% discount in this case for a 9,999 course, it will reduce it by 50% and the amount will come to 4,999.50. If I choose the amount or if I choose the discount by an amount, so for example, if I provide a discount of 9,000, my final rate will come out to be simply 999 only. In this case, I'll just leave it to percentage and I'll choose a 50% discount. If I move down, we have some additional options. By default, the option of the number of users is set to no limit. However, you can change the limit option to whatever number you want. Now, this is where I find Podia to be beautiful, just like almost in everything else. You get such good options which are actually beneficial to you. So in this case, I want 10 members to get this discount so that they can test out my early version of the course. And in this case, I'll use the option of limiting it to 10 uses. So I'll just click on 10 and click on it. Now you can also add an expiry to your coupon. So for example, if you're going to be launching your course in say 1 week from now or 1 month from now, you can have the coupon expire just before it launches. So you are giving an incentive to only the early access users or early adopters of your course. And in that case, you can add an expiry like expires in 1 week or expires in 1 month, depending upon when you're launching or when you are providing a pre-sale of your course. In this case, I'll just choose a never expires option and I'll just click on create coupon. Just like that, the coupon is created. Now, there are two ways of using the coupon. I'll show you both the ways. One is the traditional way, which you may know, and which is how most of the people use it. That is by providing this coupon code. Now, if I go to my website, in order to go to my website, I'll just simply click on products and I'll just use these 3 dots and view this page as a visitor. So this is my course page. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this link and open it in an incognito window. So I'll just copy this code or I'll copy this link, click a new incognito window and I'll paste it right here so that if I'm logged in through some other account, it won't log me in. I'll just click on buy now. I'll use the one-time payment option, click on continue. Here I'll get an option to add my email address. So I'll quickly add the email address. I'll accept the terms and payments and I'll click on continue. So I'm taken to the page where I can add my credit card and debit card details. Now this is where, if you will notice, I have an option of having a coupon code. I'll just zoom in. So you can see right here, I have an option to add a coupon code. If I just click on it, I can add the coupon which I just created, say beta 10. And if I click on apply, you'll see the rate change. So just like that, the discount code has been applied. Now I can go ahead and pay the amount. Now this is all good. However, there is one other way of using this coupon code, that is by providing your audience with a direct link to that coupon. Because what you saw right now was one additional step of giving your users the coupon code, and they have to put in the coupon code. Whenever you are selling your course, make it as easy as possible for your audience to join that thing or to make the payments. The sales process should be seamless with as few steps as possible. That is where using the coupon link comes into play. Again, Podia is so wise to do this, because otherwise you'll have to attach this at the end of your link. Podia gives you the easiest way of doing it by just simply clicking on this link option right here, and just like that, the link is copied. Again, if I go back to the incognito window and I paste this link and I just click on enter, you'll see that the discount is pre-applied on the sales page, and this makes the entire process seamless. Now, if the user comes and tries to buy it, it will be very easy for him to buy because he won't have to put the coupon code, and hence there is going to be the least amount of resistance possible. And this is what you would want to do if you're trying to sell your course. Make the process as simple as possible. And Podia gives those options to you. And this is how, in essence, you create a coupon inside Podia. I'll show you a few more things. When you create a coupon, this coupon now cannot be edited. Just remember that. In order to create a new coupon, again, I can go inside the new coupon and create it. Every coupon will have limit or the number of limit cases. So in this case, you can see it is a 10 use limit and the number of users is shown as 0 because no one has joined it yet. Since the expiry date is shown as dash, that means it won't expire, and the amount of discount is shown right here. So let me quickly create a new coupon to just show you the differences. So I'll call this coupon beta 20, or let me call it beta 100, because I'll be giving 100% discount in this case. I'll be choosing the product. I'll be choosing my product. And in the amount, in this case, instead of giving 100% discount, I'll be giving an exact amount of 9,999, or let me give 100% discount. I'll be setting the limit of uses to say 2 uses, and I'll be giving it an expiry option of 1 week. I'll just click on create coupon. So this is my beta 100 discount code created. You can see it is applied on this course. It has 2 user limit. It has 100% off. It was created today and it expires 7 days or 1 week after today. Again, if I just copy this link, open a new incognito window, I'll paste it and I'll click on enter. You can see now I'm getting this course for free. I'll just click on and I'll put in my email ID. I'll click on accept, click on continue, and I'll just hit on confirm. Since I do not have to pay anything, it is not showing me any options. I'll just click on confirm. I'll quickly provide my name and I'll accept all the conditions. Just like that, I'm inside my course. Now, if I go back to the coupon and hit refresh on this page, you'll see the number of users increase to 1. So that is what will happen. The number of users will keep on increasing, and once it reaches the 2 user limit, this coupon will no longer be usable and it will get auto archived. Right now, if you do not want to use any of these coupons, you can use this archive option. So for example, if I do not want to give any more 100% discounts, I can click on this archive coupon option and it is gone from this page. So now in order to see those archived coupons, all you have to do is use this option where it says show active coupons. So by default, show active coupons option is available. If you just click on it, you can see all the coupon options available. If I go to the archived coupons, you'll see all the coupons that I have archived till now. So these were some of the coupons which I was testing and I have archived it. So it's not available on the main coupons page. Now, if you want to reuse any of these, you can simply click on this unarchived coupon option and it will be taken back to your main coupons page. So if I go back to the active coupons, you can see the beta 100 is back. Now, if I do not want to use it again, I can simply click on this archive coupon. So this is as easy as it gets in Podia to create a coupon, to create a discounted link and share it to your audience. Always and always try and use this coupon link option rather than giving them a discounted coupon itself, because that is one additional step for your audience to follow before purchasing your course. Finally, you can of course export all the coupons. So if I just click on export, a CSV file is created. If I just save it and I try to open it, you can see all the coupons which were created. So some of them are archived, some of them are active. You have the usage limits, you have what type of coupon type it is on products, the amount, percentage, and so on. So if you want to have this for some database creation of your own, you can do that as well. So this is all about coupons in Podia. If you want to check out Podia, do hit the link in the description below. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, do hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.